start. Okay, class. Okay, 7th class. This is our week number 2. Now we are going to start a new chapter. In the last 2 lectures, we have revised our first term classes. Okay, that first term class is chapter number 1 that we already have covered in the last online classes. Hopefully, my screen is clear to you. क्या आप सबको जो मैंने स्क्रीन शेयर किया सबको दिखाई दे रही है?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Okay. All
Yes,
right.
miss.
All right. Now mute all your mics, please. Okay. Thank you. Okay, class. Now we are going to start our chapter number 2, creating charts in Excel, 2013. In the last classes, we have covered the chapter formulas in Excel. We have covered each and everything in detail. Okay. So इस चैप्टर में हमने क्या करना है? What we are going to learn in this chapter, page number 20. In this chapter, we will learn what are the types of chart, what are the components of a chart, and how you can create a chart, and what are the spark lines. Okay, so we will cover these kind of topics in this chapter. So as usual, we have often seen, as you know, firstly we see the picture that is described at the top of your page. That is Tuggal, our teacher, told us that we can draw graphs in Excel, but I can't find the command on the ribbon. He's saying, Tuggal, मेरे टीचर ने मुझे कहा है कि मुझे ग्राफ्स ड्रॉ करने हैं एक्सेल के अंदर. Okay, वालेकुम सलाम. Please mute your mics. But I can't find the command in the ribbon. लेकिन मुझे ribbon में वो command नहीं मिल रही. तो कहते हैं yes, you will find them in a separate group of called charts on the insert tab. You already know about how to use an Excel, what is the purpose of the Excel, how to use different formulas in Excel, how to calculate your exam result, how can you calculate your average, your minimum and maximum marks, how can you apply a total formula, average formula. You already know about this. Okay, now we are going to an advanced topic that is known as the charts. Okay, so what is a chart? Who is doing this? Please don't do anything. Okay, so what is chart? A chart is a pictorial representation of data. A chart is a pictorial representation of data. Means chart make it easier for us to understand large quantities of data. They help us to see the relationship between different parts of a data. Okay. Okay, class. So what is a chart? A chart is a pictorial representation of data. Chart make it easier for us to understand large quantities of data. What does it mean? इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब ये, you often see many of us, almost all of us have seen the matches. Like we often see the cricket match on TV screens, on the live stream. So जब आप क्रिकेट मैच देखते हो तो आपको जब मैच का जब स्कोर शो होता है आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर, तो आपको एक चार्ट की फॉर्म में शो होता है. ऑफन सी की इनिंग्स होती हैं और स्कोर्स होते हैं, उसके मेंशन होते हैं, तो आपको एक चार्ट से शो होता है. तो वो आपको स्कोर जो है वो रिटन फॉर्म में शो नहीं होता, वो आपको एक ग्राफ शो करते हैं. सो द चार्ट का पर्पस क्या है कि हम चार्ट क्यों बनाते हैं एक्सेल के अंदर? इसका पर्पस ये है कि जब चार्ट आप किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को जब एक ग्राफिक की फॉर्म में, एक पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन में जब आप उसको प्रेजेंट करते हो तो उसको अंडरस्टैंड करना इजी होता है एज कंपेयर टू कि आप कोई भी डाटा, कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन एक रिटन फॉर्म में, एक डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म में दो, और एज कंपेयर टू अ चार्ट फॉर्म और एज कंपेयर टू एन इमेज फॉर्म। ओके, सो हमारा जो माइंड होता है वो उन इमेजेस को ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से अंडरस्टैंड करता है। Yes, Ayman Anwar, you have raised your hand. Ayman, you want to say something?
No, Miss.
Okay, Nanma, you have raised your hand. Okay, please mute your mics. Okay, so we were discussing that a chart is a pictorial representation of data. To present any information in the form of a chart or in the form of a pictorial representation or in the form of a graphics or in the form of a images, it's more easier to understand as comparatively to understand a written descriptive form. The information is presented to you in a descriptive form or just in a plain text. Okay, you can get an idea from that कि वो इन्फॉर्मेशन जो आपको एक प्लेन टेक्स्ट की फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट की जाए और एक इन्फॉर्मेशन जो आपको इमेजेस की फॉर्म में और एक ग्राफ की फॉर्म में पेश की जाए, आपको प्रेजेंट की जाए, तो उसको अंडरस्टैंड करना आपके लिए ज़्यादा इजी होगा एज कम्पेयर टू अ plain text. So there are different, this is the purpose of a chart. So Excel supports various type of a chart. You enter data in tabular form. We enter data in Excel in a tabular form in the form of a table, or use it to create a chart. You already know about it, that we enter the information in Excel, Microsoft Excel software, in the form of a tabular, in the form of a table, okay, in tabular form. So a chart in Excel is linked to data in a worksheet. So this is a very important point, we concentrate on it. If you didn't enter any kind of information, please mute your mics, class. Anasul Rahman, please.
Yes, Miss.
मिस ये लाइंस कौन मार रहा है?
I don't know.
सईद बना रही है ये सारी लाइंस फातिमा की
Fatma Saeed, please don't do anything from your side. Someone mic is not muted.
अभी की आज की जो क्लास है ना, आपकी चढ़ी गए मुझे खत्म हो जानी है। मेरी क्लास ऑन, अभी मेरी क्लास में बड़ा पहले
Whose mic is not muted?
Yes, Miss.
Maniba.
मिस अनास का भी माइक म्यूट नहीं है।
ओके, प्लीज अब कोई माइक ओपन नहीं करेगा। किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन होगा तो वो मुझे चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज करे। इस तरह से पूरी क्लास डिस्टर्ब होती है। क्लास प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। नाहिन उमर, योर माइक इज नॉट म्यूटेड बेटा, प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक। अदरवाइज फिर होगा ये कि मैं सबका माइक म्यूट कर दूंगी और फिर आपको परमिशन नहीं होगी कि आप उसको अनम्यूट कर सको। ओके, so we were discussing the types of chart. Hopefully you are on page number 20. Now we are reading the types of chart on page number 20. So you can create a chart from the data entered in a worksheet. You will use the data in the form of tabular form in a different types. So it shows here, you can see the example figure number 2.1, accounts of a company. You can see there is mentioned in column A year, and column B revenue, and column C expenditure. Okay, they have mentioned the year 1 revenue, year 2 revenue, and year 3 revenue, up to so on year 5 revenue, and their expenditures as well. Okay, so now our first topic is we are going to learn the different types of charts. Okay, so we will see these types of charts in a practical form as well in later classes. So the first one is a line chart. So what is a line chart, and what are the properties of a line chart is. So a line chart, you can see in figure 2.2, line chart. A line chart compares trends in data. A line chart compares trends in data at equal intervals. Okay, line charts are useful for depicting the changes in a value over a period of time. So we use the line chart for that data. Obviously the chart is presented, the chart is created at some data. जब आपके पास डाटा होगा तो ही आपका चार्ट बनेगा. ठीक है, मैच होता है, मैच जो होता है दो टीम्स के दरमियान कंडक्ट होता है, टू टीम्स के दरमियान जो मैच खेला जाता है, प्लेड होता है, तो उनका कुछ ऑब्वियसली कुछ ना कुछ स्कोर होता है उसका. ठीक है, दोनों टीम्स का कुछ इनिंग्स होती हैं, कुछ स्कोर्स होता है उसका. ठीक है, तो वो जो स्कोर है मैच का वो क्या है, वो डेटा है. सो this is understood that the chart is created at some data. Okay, over a some data. So the purpose of a line chart is, they are good choice when you have many points to plot, or when data trends are important. Okay, when data trends are important. So what does it mean? It means, so here this is the line chart are useful for depicting the changes in a value over a period of time. The point is the over a period of time. It means the line chart is important, is useful to compare the trends of value. Like you see in the last year, the pricing value of a Khadi brand, the of clothes were different. Now in 2020, the price were quite high. ओके, लास्ट ईयर जो खादी की और जो लाइमलाइट की जो क्लॉथिंग ब्रांड्स हैं, इनकी जो प्राइसेस थी, जो आप जो आर्टिकल्स बाय करते थे, उनकी जो प्राइसिंग थी वो कुछ और थी, और 2020 में इनकी जो प्राइसिंग है वो थोड़ी सी क्वाइट हाई है उनकी. ठीक है, तो अगर ये कंपेयर करना हो कि 2019 के में जो सेम आर्टिकल सेम की प्राइस क्या थी, और 2020 में जो लेटर आर्टिकल्स आए हैं उनकी प्राइस क्या थी, तो जब हमने डाटा को कंपेयर करना होता है तो आप उस इंफॉर्मेशन पे आप लाइन चार्ट को क्रिएट करो, तो आपको क्या करेगा, आपको ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आपको वो डिफरेंस शो करेगा. ठीक है, सो द लाइन चार्ट इज यूजफुल हियर, जहां पर हमने ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम चेंजेस को शो करना होता है. ठीक है, line chart is useful at that point. Line chart are useful for depicting the changes in a value over a period of time. Hopefully you have understand with the example of, we have taken the real life example of the clothing brands, that like something like that, the Cardi and the whatever the line that else. So they are good to choice when you have many points or to plot, and when the data trends are important. So the important point is when the data trends are important. So the line chart are usually used to show production or sales trends over a period of time. Like you often buys clothes, your shoes, your jewelry from a different brands, from different shops. So what they do, when the companies, when the industries, when the companies have to compare check the revenue and the expenditures of the last year, and when they have to compare the last trends over the current year,